Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add columns to your website in Webnode. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Webnode, and now just click your plus, and here you have an option to choose between 2 columns, 3 columns, or just 2 text columns. That's really up to you. Now you just add here 2 columns, for example, and right here I have 2 columns. So what can I do also is to click delete and just have a without the image or with the image. That's like up to you. And voila, here we have 2 columns that I can play around it. So that's also pretty much it. I can create 3 columns and I can really play around it as much as you want. So this is how you can do it. And also I have a line here that I can play as a divider. So that's pretty much it. And this is how you can play around with columns. Have a great day and goodbye.